Horse Program is weekly update. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the 11th episode of the weekly update with your horse programmer. Today, I have with me a small little taste of the assignment I'm working on right now, which is a WPF Quiz app built according to the MVVM design pattern, I think, for most of the part at least. I'm thinking this video is not going to be a very long one. I'm going to show you where I'm at with the program right now. It's not finished, but I've been working a lot on the stuff that is finished right now. I thought maybe the code I'll show you is just like an overview of how it's built. Like an overview of all the different views and view models and stuff that I use, and not so much code. Yeah. So we're working right now with the Horse Quizzerer. I will probably change this name to something else, but here you have it. So this is a very white app. Not so much has been put into the looks of the app, and I don't think I will have much time to do that. I'm just working on functions and stuff to make all that work. So right now we're in a configuration mode. So here you can make question packs for different quizzes that you want to play. And right now we're working with like a default question pack. So here is what it's called. It's called pack name. We have the possibility to add questions, remove questions, and go into the pack options. Let's start by making a new question pack, I think. So we have a little dialog that pops up. Let's call it question pack 1. The difficulty settings for the quiz is just how the creator, how hard they think the quiz is. So let's make an easy one right now. The time limit sets how much time you have to answer every question once you go into playing mode. Let's go with 20 seconds, since it's maybe I should have 120 seconds because this is a very easy quiz. So we change to the new pack that we just created, and let's make some questions. The first question: how many fingers does a human usually have? And then we can input a correct answer, which I think should be 10, and some incorrect answers, 13. So there you have it, our first question. Let's make another one. How many toes does a human usually have? I'm guessing this is 10 as well. 12, 13, and 8. So now we have a question pack with 2 different questions. You can change between this and everything updates. So yeah, everything is done with data binding between a view, which is what you see here, and a view model which contains all stuff that the view needs to see. And the view model in turn looks at the model, which in this case just is question packs. Yeah, that's it. what do we have more here? We can select between our different question packs. So we had a default one before that we can go to. So that's good. We have the possibility to delete a question pack. Let's not delete the nice one we just made. Let's delete this one. And this gives us a dialog window that asks us if we are sure we want to delete the pack. And yes. So it disappears. And now, as you can see, you can't delete this pack. So this is just a function of the app. You always need to have at least one pack. This function isn't made yet. I'm hoping I have time to do this. This is like an extra thing if you want to get a higher grade. So what we want to do here is connect to a public API and import questions to our question packs. Yeah, I didn't show you the pack options. As you can see, everything is bound as well to different input bindings. So this is Control plus O. I can press Control plus O and we get the pack options. So we can change the name to something else. Let's change it to human anatomy. Let's make it medium now. So everything updates. Yeah. I mean, that's basically what I've done. It took a long time for what looks as not very much functionality, but it took a long time to figure out how to do this stuff the MVVM way. What I have done as well is have a function to switch between the configuration mode and edit mode. So we can play the quiz and we have a timer. We have 30 seconds to answer the first question here. But as you can see, we don't have any functionality here yet. So this is what I'm gonna be putting a lot of effort into right now. Yep, that's it. A fun little quirky thing is if you play again, we decrement by 2 seconds each time. So I have to stop the ticking thing as well. Or maybe it's a fun feature that you will it will always become harder and harder. Yes, I forgot to tell you as well. Let's see here. Let's go back to edit mode and we see that we have our 2 questions here and our question pack human anatomy. Let's exit the app. And if we start it again, we can see that we have saved our packs. So I also implemented some loading and saving with JSON. So that's pretty neat. So a quick overview of all the parts of this program is we made it according to MVVM, and therefore we have a model which has all the data, and this data is contained in questions and question packs that are made out of questions. Sorry about that. We have view models which can interact with the model and also contains our different functions of the app. So we have a configuration view model, a main window view model, player view model, question pack view model, and a view model base class that all these inherit from, because we want to make these view models able to send some kind of events when their things are updated. And we also have views, which contain how things should look on the screen. We have a JSON handler class that basically converts to JSON and saves, or converts from JSON and loads. We have our main window, which is an entry point for our app. Yep. We have a delegate command class, which is is used to make different functions and stuff that the view can bind to. And we have 2 different converters. This one is little bit weird. It's a question pack view model to visibility converter. I think I will do this another way. And a difficulty to int converter that is used. And we also have 2 dialogues, a create new pack dialog and pack options dialog, which you saw during the demo. With that said, thanks for watching, and now I will continue and hopefully finish this app before next Friday. And hopefully I will be able to show you a functioning playing mode where you can actually play the quiz, and also a functioning import function to connect to an API and download some questions. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Bye bye.